Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 126. Sorry, stage 126. It's issue 33, but you know, the counting goes strange with these ones. Of building the Ecto-1, the Ghostbusters car. This issue is going to be repeating much the same as we did on the first part of this. We're doing another one of these wheels. The wheel that looked lovely and worked well. I'll give you an update on the other wheel before I start on it. I've changed it. I moved it. It wasn't folding down right because this bracket was the wrong way around. Now it folds down lovely, but it folds down lovely on this side. I think these parts, or at least one of these parts, is wrong. Or going the other side because it has to be that way round because of the shaping of the thing here. And it won't go the other side of that because then that'd have to be the other way round. And then it folds the other side. So I've put this one over this side and am hoping and assuming that next time the other one will be the right part for the other side. If it is the same as this one and won't go that side, then I'm going to have to see about adapting and adjusting it to make it work. But I didn't want to do that and then have to adapt and adjust the other one again. So I thought I'll try it over here and see what happens. And what happens is that it works exactly as intended. And yeah, it folds down lovely, as does that one. Exactly as they should. And obviously folds out and locks in place, as does that. I say locks in place. It doesn't really lock in place, but it sort of does. So yes, that's what's that. So next time, I don't have the next issue. I hope is going to fit in there without any problems. But if it does need some adapting, then I've got an idea of what to do. But I didn't want to do it twice. So that's that. So what I am doing now is basically this wheel on this side, which hopefully all the right parts will be here. We're doing exactly the same as we've done before. So I need some FM screws. Again, lots of screws provided in these, lots of different screws. FM, obviously the last one that I go to. That one. 2 of those. There's still another one of those, so I'm going to be using that for something. These are going to go through here to hold the wheel in place, just like we did before. I'll do that off camera anyway. And then an 8M screw will hold a little bit onto there. That doesn't matter which way around. That's where that's going to go into. And yeah, that's going to clip on the other side with that bit going on there, and then all the bracket bits, and then the fun bit with the different pieces. So I'll get a couple of these bits done off camera because there's no point in watching me do it all again. Any problems, I'll let you know, but I'm not expecting any. So I'll see you in just a sec when some of this is together. Right, that's the wheel on and that bit attached onto there. I've got some parts ready to sort out the rest of it. That needs to go into there. I can't remember which one's which. Yeah, it's that one that goes in there. So this hook has got to go onto that end. That screw. Get that screw on the right way round. Come on. There you go. That goes through there and into that. Go. Then that needs to go onto there. Those, I might be doing this out of order from the advertised pictures. And I'm not worrying about which way round this bit goes. There, like so. That needs to go onto there. Same way. I am just dotting forward and doing these in whichever order the things come to hand because it doesn't really matter. Everything goes together the same way. Where I've done one of these before. Finding it easier to get the parts now, and then I can assemble them together in a minute. That's that. so I need 8 of these. So I will need more for those bits in a minute. So about 4, 1, 2, 4. Put those over there for now. So first of all, I need to get this attached onto there, which is got to go the same way around as that one. There, like that. That way around. Yep. That goes over there, like that. That screw holding that together. There into that. Go. So that's that. Then that needs to go onto there. But as I made a mistake last time, I've got to get it onto there first. That onto there. I didn't need 8 because there's only 2 for this bit. One of them through that side. Doing the others. No, doing this side's going to be. It's not going to make any difference getting them either way round. Oh, that will. If I do it this way round, then I can do that before. That makes that easier. Get those ones in. Like that. That side's secure, and then I can slip that into there. And that works like that. This one goes on the other side. That has to be the correct way around. It's got to be that side. That hook to be on that side to attach to there. But I won't attach it to there yet. I'll get it in first. Those screws in there. Nice. One more. Side, and then tighten up all the first slot again. Right. And then that will clip onto there. Like that. And we have that working the same as that one. And that one now works as well. So we'll go flat as it's meant to be stored. And then when it comes out, they will all fold open. It will stand like that. It won't stand at the moment because I've still got a wheel missing. But that's that. I'm happy with that. That works nicely. Right, so then got these bits. Not entirely certain. I know obviously to do with the proton packs. They've got 1 pin coming out and 4 screw holes. So they go on there like that. And these are going to go on there like that. But that's obviously how the pack is going to rest onto that at some point in the future. Right, let me get those all attached because there's just lots of screws to put in on that. That we're not doing anything with, so that and those will be kept safe for next time. Let me get these attached and we'll see how it looks. Right, there we go. That's all that attached up, all on there. Wheels all working as intended, looking good. I'm not sure how these are going to attach. I mean, these are definitely going to attach on there like that because the holes all line up. So we've got 4 of those line up on there. I don't know if this one's probably a little bit different because it doesn't sort of overhang. So I'm sure that one side of that's going to be shorter. I don't know about the back one going to be different as well. So these 2 are probably going to go in the middle there. But I can't figure out what this is going to attach to, how it's going to line up with anything that way up. Are they that way up? If they're that way up, then that sort of might go into the bar, but it sort of doesn't because then nothing else sort of lines up in there, but that's too far line back. I don't know, that might be all right. That's like that. Then the other one's going to be like that, which sort of is sort of underneath, maybe. So yeah, probably like that. I can't remember which way round they go in the film. But if that's there, then that front one is going to be there. So it is going to be covered by, in the gurney. So it's probably that way round. But we won't know until, later. But for now, I shall put these back, put them out of the way. Because I did get the special pack where you've got the proton packs. So yeah, that's the gurney so far. Apart from that wheel being on the wrong side. But it's on the right side for the parts supplied. So there we go. That is that. I like it. It looks good. So next time, I'm pretty sure we're getting this wheel, and then I don't know if there's more to go with the gurney. Is obviously going to be cutting more of those. We're going to attach those, but for now, that's that. Next pack soon, hopefully. So thank you for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you soon for more. Bye bye for now.